Hi my trading family and community, welcome to my channel where I provide weekly trading plan for forex majors, precious metals, energy, US indices and crypto kings. Here is my trading plan for the upcoming week of 12th February to 16th February. After weekends I walk through my trading plan and review how trading plan worked and ended up how much profit or loss. Stay tuned for the updates, and if you like my videos do like, share and subscribe. Wrap up. After Fed Chair Powell less dovish start of the week talk followed by few of FOMC members' stance on rate cuts, my views of higher for longer or might be another small rate hike kept markets relatively calm and range bound as markets will try to figure out this week important inflation numbers. Ongoing, as told, Hamas-Israel standoff is now a back mirror affair. However, as the weather heats up in Russia region, we can see some spikes in Russia-Ukraine standoff a bit more in coming weeks. What's next? Looks like a perfect storm is brewing in range-bound and relatively calmer forex markets for last couple of weeks, and this week all important inflation data in US followed by retail sales will drive market crazy in anticipating what can be Fed possible course of action in next FOMC. With crude oil forming days in 70s and looking for a bullish breakout, I am afraid CPI data will not be in favor of rate cut anytime soon, and even we may get a hint of rate hike if inflation persists, coupled with sign of consumer spending with higher retail sales numbers. After testing long-term trendline support, bond yields are able to float over 4-hour symmetrical triangle and also managed to protect 4.0% level and likely to keep northbound ride after any correction, hence shall be long on dips. Dollar index is able to find bids after testing long-term trendline support and likely to test upper trendline at around 105 and hence shall likely to continue rise and shall be good for long or long on dips. Although Euro did take support from long-term trendline and trying to bounce back, however still playing in the 4-hour falling channel and hence any upside move shall be good for short on strength on the back of stronger dollar. Like Euro, cable is also trying to rise after being rank bound for last so many weeks. However, this week can be decisive due to fundamentals and will be good risky shorts as dollar is stronger as compared to both Euro and cable. Ninja is trying to break 149 to 150 range on back of stronger bid for dollar. However, this psychological barrier and multiple time zone supply area needs to be cleared convincingly by bulls and hence risky shorts can be very rewarding. Despite good economic data for Loonie, 4-hour channel support came into play for bulls and likely to continue recovery after sharp fall and hence shall be good for long on dips. This pair tested 4-hour upper trendline resistance and profit-taking made it fall sharply and looks like to bounce back after a fake breakout of 4-hour trendline support and shall be good for risky longs on dips. Swissy came back strong after increase in foreign currency reserves. However, 1-hour time frame suggests will likely to come out of rising wedge and retest of 4-hour channel and long-term trend line is possible. Risky shorts can be taken. Aussie is trying to find support at long-term demand area and also trying to break 4-hour falling wedge and hence risky longs can be taken with strict stop loss for some healthy gains. Although Kiwi found support at confluence of long-term demand zone and long-term trend line support, however late price action is suggesting mild correction is required to retest long-term trend line support and hence shall be good for shorts. Gold is out of symmetrical long-term triangle and any possible rise will be just retest of resistance and shall be good for on strength or even market shorts. Silver may try to come out of falling wedge 1-hour but will meet with falling trend line resistance on 4-hour time frame and hence shall be good for market short or short at strength. Crude oil is hovering between 69 to 79 in many weeks and trying to form base for a breakout. However, looks last week breakout will prove to be fake and risky shorts can be taken with strict stop loss for very attractive rewards. Bulls are playing with fire in US indices and their firepower can exhaust anytime for a very deep correction and hence I am suggesting to keep shorting with strict stop loss for very lucrative gains and hence though can be shorted with strict stop loss as it falls below rising wedge. Bulls are playing with fire in US indices and their firepower can exhaust anytime for a very deep correction and hence I am suggesting to keep shorting with strict stop loss for very lucrative gains and hence Nasdaq can be shorted with strict stop loss. S&P is no exception and bulls are non-stopping. However, a healthy correction is anywhere near and I am suggesting to keep shorting with strict stop loss for very lucrative gains and hence can be shorted with strict stop loss. Although after healthy correction in last couple of weeks, Bitcoin bounced back strongly, however is in highly overbought conditions and shall be good for market shorts or short at strength for some quick gains but with very strict stop loss. Like Bitcoin, Ethereum also bounced back after healthy correction, however is in highly overbought conditions and likely to correct itself and hence shall be good for market shorts or short at strength with very strict stop loss. Thanks for watching and remember real freedom is financial freedom. Do like, subscribe and share for more.